So another vlog. We're gonna. Here's the bike. There. We're gonna do a change oil. We're gonna clean the chain, and at the same time flush the front brake fluid. Brake fluid. So let's just start on it. So let's remove the drain plug. Oil filter. We're making a mess.
Panoorin ko na lang pala yung vlog mo sa susunod. Ako naman gagawa, tapos andyan ka lang, sir.
Tama.
No.
Tama. Extension.
Yun. Ang dumi naman.
It's okay. And then the key is, as I always say with changing oil with cars, change the level of your bike so it will drain more. You see? Show it to them.
Ikan ko.
If you level it, did it drain more?
Yes.
Yeah. If you can see that the drain plug is actually on the rear, so raising the front would be more efficient. So imagine doing this, like this, on my bike. I don't think I'll be able to do this. This is how light the Ducati is. See? No stress. I don't think I can do this on my bike.
Not on this one.
Yep, that's a fat bitch. Which is actually, you know, if you think about it, it's a very ideal bike for a beginner. If you're a beginner, I think, well, it's quite powerful for a beginner. Because I would suggest if you're a beginner, what, 400? Actually, in Japan, if you're a beginner, you're only allowed to drive a 400cc bike. So the important thing about this video is actually none of this, except for torque specs. So for the drain plug, it's 20 Newton meters. My tongue is all twisted today. I don't know why. So in some manuals actually it says 42. But imagine how small this is. To put more than 42 on this, I don't think it's correct. So lube the seal. Remember, if the torque is very low, the click will also be very, very low. Not. How can you explain it? It's not. It's not gonna be loud, like here. That's it.
Clicks, huh?
Yeah. Now, if it's going to be heavy, like for example, see, it's going to be loud. The more torque it put, the more loud it's gonna be. So that's why, remember, my daughter stripped off the drain plug of the Lancer because she was expecting a very loud click.
Loud click, yes.
But that's only 10 foot-pounds. So if you convert 10 foot-pounds to a Newton meter, 10 is 14 Newton meters. So it's almost the same as this one. So she was expecting a very loud click, but it wasn't happening. So she stripped the drain plug. So filter, K&N, I think is sponsored.
Baka naman.
Baka naman.
Ay, hindi ba siya maghahalo, sir? Chemical nito, tsaka to.
And that's why you're using brake cleaner. Because brake cleaner doesn't have residue and it evaporates very quickly. It's I think it's acetone. So you see it's already dry.
Right. Yung steel brass mo. Yung steel brass mo.
Andyan sa pinaka-right ng shelf. This is 42 Newton meters. Well, we might have to do a conversion. Most likely mga 30 siguro.
42, sir? 42?
I think mga 30.
30?
I mean yung conversion.
Ilang Newton, sir?
42 Newton.
9.4?
No.
Newton to pound, sir?
No, Newton meters to foot-pounds.
Ah, okay. Newton. $42, 30.
30.
30.9.
30. So let's make it 31.
31.
31. So someone used silicone on this. Well, you're not supposed to be using silicone. That's why you have an aluminum washer. It's called a crush washer. It crushes the washer. Well, we're supposed to be changing this every other oil change. But we don't have one, so we'll just use this. in 2.5 to 2.8. Some manual says 2.5, some says 2.8. There was actually one that says 3 liters, but I don't think so. This is the second one. I don't know why I have that mannerism. You know, if you want something clean, you blow on it. I really don't know. But I don't think it gets it cleaner. Does it? It
No.
doesn't, right?
But it helps to take it.
Yeah.
Sir, sige.
We'll add more. It was a little bit below. It's on the low side, if I may say. Level the bike. There. So let's work on the brakes. Well, I told him that his brake is not good. You see, if you notice, if I brake it, that's how deep it is. And if I pump it, it goes up. So meaning there's air in the system, or the fluid is already old. That, you know, brake fluid is hydroscopic. It absorbs moisture. Let's drain this and put new brake fluid and bleed it. That's really dark. Nakatumulo sa akin yung paint. Be careful with your brake fluid. They will destroy your paint. Get it clean as possible. There, you see? Did you see? I was about to do it. I don't know why, but that's me. What we're trying to do is we've removed the old fluid, so we're gonna put in new one, and then hold on the brakes, bleed it on the farthest bleeder, and then close it and then release it. You know, but we have to watch out that this doesn't go empty.
Sir, parehas lang ba to? Clutch? Asan bang clutch dito?
Left side.
Ito?
Yep. You're riding your bike and you don't know where your clutch is.
Hindi, yung fluid ba, sir? Pero parehas lang siya ng fluid.
Yeah.
Clutch at the
No. According to your bike, this is a .3. This is a .4. I don't know why they changed it. I'm sure there's a good reason behind it.
Hindi pwedeng paghaluin, sir.
No, you cannot mix different kinds of fluid.
Wala naman nakalagay dyan, 4. Pero yun sa ano yan.
We're just
Therefore,
gonna close this so
tingnan
that we
natin,
will not, it will not squirt. So this is the farthest bleeder. So we're gonna start on this. He's gonna grab the brakes. Then I'm gonna release this. And then close it. And then release the brakes. And then you're gonna press it again. And then I'm gonna release it. And then close it. And then he's gonna release it. Over and over again. But we need to keep an eye on this one. I mean our fluid level. Make sure that we still have fluid. And let's go to the other side. Oops, baba.
Sobra.
Tatapon kasi pag nilagay mo ito, siya. Lock muna natin isa pa. Okay, brake now is good. So if you break it, see? Even if you repeat it, it's gonna stay at the same place. Good. And we're gonna clean the chain. Well,
The middle part.
see it. We've done it in a past video.
Last part, yes.
So that's all for today. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Peace.
Peace out.